Tisa grew up with humble beginnings. At 10, motivated by the prize of a year's tuition, she joined her first pageant and now helps young people to explore Philippines. Tisa grew up with humble beginnings. At 10, motivated by the prize of a year's tuition, she joined her first pageant and now helps young people to explore Philippines. Tisa grew up with humble beginnings. At 10, motivated by the prize of a year's tuition, she joined her first pageant and now helps young people to explore Philippines.
So yun po ang final part ng preliminary competition ngayong araw dito sa Miss Universe 2025. At mga kapolitika, bibigyan natin ng ating opinion at ng ating reaksyon, mga pinaka-latest na update at mga kaganapan, mga pangyayari dito sa Miss Universe 2025 live in Bangkok. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At bibigyan po pala natin ng score itong ating kababayan na hindi tayo na-disappoint mga kapolitika sa kanyang laban dito sa prelims. At nakita nyo naman yung mga pasabog na mga galawan ni Atisa, from styling doon sa kanyang mga isinuot, pati sa makeup at yung ayos niya, ay masasabi ko na hindi tayo nabigo, hindi tayo na-disappoint at na-dismaya dito sa representation ni Atisa Manalo ng Pilipinas dito sa international stage. Nabigyan niya mga kapolitika ng hustisya ang kanyang performance ngayon dito sa Miss Universe sa Thailand. So dito is nakita natin si Atisa na naka-black gown siya, beaded, and then merong yellow flowers yung kanyang nasa harap. So hindi familiar mga kapolitika at hindi common yung isinuot ni Atisa ngayon. Napakaganda at kumikinang yung mga beads na kinabit dito sa kanyang gown. At ang sabi pa nga ng iba ay daya na lang daw ang mga katalo dito kay Atisa sa kanyang maging laban sa Miss Universe. Nawala at natabunan niya yung mga frontrunner dito sa Miss Universe. Pero yung isang disappointment ko dito sa kailang production, although maganda talaga yung kailang venue kasi malawak, and then yung lightings, yung production nila, pero mas okay pa rin para sa akin yung 2018 na version or na edition. Ito kasi mga kapolitika parang may touch siya ng Miss Grand International. Even yung mga LED lights nila ay talagang pang Miss Grand. So mas gusto ko yung edition ng 2018 nila Catriona Gray. Wala pa rin makatalo doon sa kanilang sa kanilang sound, sa kanilang effects, sa kanilang lightings at sa kanilang production. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung 2018 na edition. So na-disappoint ako dito sa sound na ginamit ng Miss Universe preliminary competition kasi walang pinagkaiba doon sa sa Miss Grand International na kung saan ay gumamit sila ng royalty music or premium music dito sa kailang background. Maingay at parang hindi akma doon sa pagrampa ng mga ng mga candidates or ng mga delegates. Siguro ay ginamit na lang sana nila yung luma nila na na background music dito sa pagrampa ng mga kandidata. So yun lang yung aking comment dito sa production ng Miss Universe 2025. Pero gusto ko yung venue kasi malawak siya at nakarampa talaga yung mga candidate. unlike doon sa Mexico last year. So sana is yung music na gagamitin sa finals ay hindi royalty music mga kapolitika, dahil maingay po siya at parang hindi siya akma doon sa pagrampan ng mga kandidata. Sana ay gumamit na lang sila ng singer habang rumarampa itong mga candidate as background music. So yun ang aking maging komento. So yung score, meron kasing mga nagpapakalat dito sa social media mga kapolitika na ang score daw nila kay Atisa dito sa sa national costume at sa kanyang evening gown is 9.8, pero dito sa kanyang swimsuit is 9.7 lang. Pero sa akin, ang maging score ko dito sa kanyang evening gown competition is 10 over 10 mga kapolitika yung maging score ko dito. Pero doon sa kanyang swimsuit ay 9.6 yung maibigay ko na score, pero mataas pa rin yun. At dito naman sa kanyang evening gown ay perfect 10 yung ibibigay ko na score. Para sa aking opinion lang po yun ko. So iwan ko sa inyo kung ano yung ibibigay nyo na score, pero para sa akin ay yun ang ratings ko kay Atisa dito sa kanyang evening gown. Ngayon mga kapolitika, base dito sa mga comment ng ating mga netizen, ay positibo naman po ang kanilang mga sinabi dito sa kanyang competition para sa evening gown competition. At overall doon sa natkos, dito sa swimsuit at dito sa kanyang evening gown ay positibo. Majority ay positibo, pero merong mga trolls, siguro pakawala ito ng mga taga ibang bansa, merong mga trolls na nagko-comment sila negative, pero alam mong trolls kasi isa lang yung script nila. Pero majority talaga ng mga nagko-comment is yung mga real account is talagang positibo at namangha sila dito. Hindi binigo ni Atisa ang kanya mga Filipino supporters. So dito naman tayo sa usapang hurado na naman, kasi hindi matapos-tapos itong mga issue at iskandalo. Ngayon ay meron na pong update pala dito. Dalawa yung inad nila, kasi si Makilili ay nag-resign na rin as jury, at yung isa si Omar na napag-usapan natin sa ating mga previous na video. And then nilagay nila itong si Louie Heredia, and then merong na-add ngayon na dalawang babae. So balita po ito ng Philippine Star. Manila, Philippines. The Miss Universe 2025 jury got another shake-up 2 days before the coronation with the addition of 2 new judges. The Miss Universe organization MUO announced that Miss Universe 2005 Natalie Glibova and Angolan Commander Colonel Mineyutabo Francisca Baloyi have joined the main competition selection committee. Natalie has been spending nearly the past 2 decades in Thailand, where she was actually crowned 20 years ago, building a career as an author, entrepreneur, and women's empowerment mentor. MUO noted that Colonel Mini is fluent in 6 languages and was the first woman to command a United Nations peacekeeping platoon in her home country. The jury changes come after Lebanese musician Omar Harfo and French football player Claude Makilili withdraw from the selection committee. Apart from them, Filipino singer Louie Heredia was added to the committee after initially only being a member of the closed-door interview panel. Colonel Mini continues to inspire through her work in education, healthcare, sustainability, and the fashion industry. MUO added, Natalie has been spending nearly the past 2 decades in Thailand, where she was actually crowned 20 years ago. Career as an author, entrepreneur, and women's empowerment mentor. So yun mga kapolitika ang ating update dito sa Miss Universe 2025. At meron po palang dito kaganapan na unexpectedly is na disgrasya po ito si Miss Jamaica. So nahulog siya dito sa stage, kawawa naman mga kapolitika. Sana is hindi grabe yung tinamo niyang injury, dahil siguro hindi niya nakita yung endpoint nung stage. So nahulog po siya at sana ay makarecover siya before yung final competition, kasi is 2 araw lang yung yung bakante, and then sa Sabado is finals na, at mag-start ng 8 or 9 AM yung kanilang tinatawag na final competition. At narito naman po ang comment ng ating mga netizen dito sa social media matapos ang outstanding na performance ni Atisa Manalo dito sa kanyang evening gown. Atisa's styling team nailed it. They didn't drown her in sparkly outfits during the activities, so her gown felt fresh and stood out even more. Napakaganda dito, what more sa finals. Nako, Val Taguba versus Mac Tumang ang labanan. Can I just say how strategic it was na this prelims lang siya nag-beaded gown. No my factor kasi ang fresh sa ice. Mga kapolitika, kung kayo po ang tatanungin, ano po ang inyong magreaksyon dito sa naging overall performance ni Atisa Manalo ngayong araw, day 18 na po ng Miss Universe 2025. At dalawang tulog na lang ay malalaman na natin kung sino ang Miss Universe at ano rin po ang inyong maging score dito sa kanyang evening gown. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. Samantala, narito po ang mga kaganapan matapos ang evening gown competition dito sa preliminary round. At kuha po ito ng Missosology.
Dina is there. Dina is so beautiful. There. Look at it. Umalis si Victoria, no? Ha? Wala na si Victoria, hindi na bumalik. Wala ulit sa BOP.
Wala akong sisang picture kay ano.
Kanino? Nasa bag. Kunin mo.
Sorry. Come back. Parang.
I have ID
Oh, yeah.
in the inside.
Kita. Ngamได้ไหม
ID.
โอเค
Ano to?
Long press.
ไม่ได้สดได้ไหมครับ
ขออนุญาตนะคะ ขออนุญาตนะคะ ถ้าเกิดว่าไลฟ์สดรบกวนเดี๋ยวขออนุญาตออกไปนอกนะคะ
Mexico.
Yeah, come back.
So the fans are all here. Hello, Nova. Dr. Nova. Hello. I'm Bobby from the Psychology. Can you say hello to everyone?
Hi everyone! Did you enjoy the show? Because it was hot in real life. Oh my goodness, who are we cheering for?
Prince and Peter.
Okay.
What about you?
Ooh, I do like them both. I also like Thailand, Colombia, Venezuela, Puerto Rico I like as well. Canada, of course, Canada. Czech Republic, Rwanda, Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah. Yes! You're welcome. Mexico! 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 Beautiful girl!
So thank God I have some sort of... So please stay tuned. We're gonna formulate the final hot beats. What can you say hi to everyone? What can you say about the show?
Amazing, amazing. Did you see that? It's unbelievable. Incredible.
Thank you, gracias. That's the president of Miss Universe. Sister! Can you say hello to everyone?
Hello, how are you?
Who are your favorites?
I'm so happy today. Thank you so much for support my brand.
I love Chat Cosmetics.
Thank you.
The foundation.
Thank you.
Who are your favorites?
Yeah, thank you so much. Hello.
Check is wearing my jewelry tonight, but I couldn't. I wanted to take a picture, but I don't see it.
The lights are off.
Okay, let's interview everyone. So the fans are going wild now. Say hello to Mrs. Ology.
on the
So guys, so it's chaos right now. Hello po. Hello! Say hello to everyone in Mississology.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you again.
Okay, so what can you say about this year's contestants? Who are your favorites?
My favorite, I love Thailand,
Thailand.
Venezuela,
Okay.
Argentina, Puerto Rico, Mexico, Philippines. I already told it. Yeah, maybe some more.
Somewhere.
Yeah, we are rooting for Vina. We want Vina to
Thailand.
win Miss Universe. She did great. So, yeah, but we are supporting all the girls. They did amazing. It was incredible show. You can tell it was NJ production. So, yeah,
Okay.
as always.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you, darling. Okay, that was the National Director of Czech Republic. And, hola. I don't know. I'm not sure. Sorry. Oh, wow. Look at her. Former Miss Universe, 1952. Sister! Sister! Yay!
สบายดีนะคะ
Say hello to everyone. Who are your favorite? Your top 5.
คุณมาดีเหรอคุณมาดีเหรอ
In top 5.
อ๋อ top 5 for me
Yes.
top 5 for me Colombia Thailand Cote d'Ivoire Mexico and Philippines
Wow.
Yeah.
Happy to see you, sis.
Bye-bye.
Thank
See
you.
you na.
Tomorrow. Okay, guys. Hello. Wow, stunning. So, oh, very handsome. Hola. Introduce yourself, guys.
Luis from Venezuela.
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 Who are your top 5?
Thailand, Venezuela,
Colombia,
Ecuador.
Ecuador.
and Philippines.
Where are you from?
I love Philippines.
In
I love
Philippines.
Philippines.
Gracias,
Philippines.
guapos. Gracias. So, lumandi muna tayo ng very light. Ah! Amiga! I can't believe it. So tell me, who are your top 5? Who are your top 5?
My top 5?
Uh-huh.
Okay. For me, the winner as always is Vina.
Vina, Thailand.
Thailand.
Okay.
Her presence, her aura, for me, is her time.
Okay.
Second, Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Yeah. Third, Colombia. Colombia, I love Colombia. Brazil, is doing
Brazil,
very,
of course, yeah.
Brazil. I like Guadeloupe.
Guadeloupe too.
Yes, yes.
Very strong choices. Nice
Yes.
to see you. See you in the final.
Kiss from Brazil.
Kisses. Melvin, come here. Oh my God.
How are you?
Nice to see you again. Okay, let me hijack you for your top 5. Current top 5.
I have only one winner.
Just one?
Yes, just one
Okay.
winner. Miss Pawi.
The very same answer.
That's the winner, right here.
Uh-huh.
Miss Pawi, give the crown already. I especially loved you in your two-piece swimsuit,
Really?
which only I saw.
Thank